So guys, we're back to the job and I want to show you how we can install the Timber Garden Edge. This is a Slipper H4. It's product for the landscaping outside, touching the soil and the wet area or in the rain, sun. It's product for the landscaping H4, and I choose the 150 by 50 by 3 meter long slipper. I choose the straight one, not the damage, or it's not a straight, it's not good to the job. What we did first, I set the line and I put the string line, set it around it. When I set, I lay the one slipper to see how much is the height and how is the line there. We avoid the trees about 500, and then we install it in the joint of each slipper. We digging hole 300 to 400 deep, and also we cut the post as the same slipper, and I'm setting through the line, screwed by the galvanized screws, 100 millimeter. These screws I'm using for the garden edge. Let's see, it's 100 millimeter, 14G to 10, and it's enough for it because this is 50 and the other one is 50, will be 100. Two screw each post, and then we put the concrete mix there, just leave it, and then at the end when I set all the line post and the slipper, then I adding the water and shaking to set it. Now we're going through to finish this part, going that way, and then from the corner comes to this side. It's up to you how wide you want to be the garden. This side, because we have a existing tree, we have 1.8, and the other side it's 90 from the fence, and the line going there. The slope is following the land slope, but make it straight to looks nice. Hi guys, just show you the project is completed and going through to show you we did the council area, excavating, leveling, laying the turf. The new one, the timber garden edge, install the letterbox, connection, the drainage, also install a irrigation system to watering the garden and turf. Going past through. This is a passway we did. The one timer, two section here, and the other one is on the other side. The ones umbrella, it was the water feature area, and they changed it to sitting area for the later. All the garden, timber garden edge, protect the tree. Continue to do the white pebbles. The Crow White 20 mil concrete pavers 400 by 400 by 40. Also we have a concrete pavers around it to make a garden edge. We're going through, install the clothesline, add the organic garden mix soil to all the gardens, and turfing is Serwater Buffalo. We go through, that's a passway on the side. This is the other section connected to the rainwater tank with two sections for this area and the other one. We did the composite deck and the glass fans for under al fresco and a storage under. Going through, that's a pergola, they want to do it later. And the top garden has the sprinkler irrigation system and the timber garden edge all around it. Also the timber retaining wall, timber stairs, and the fencing for the collarbone fence for the other side is the granny flat. I'll show you later. And that's a composite deck with the stairs and the glass fence. Timber fence 1.8 height and a sleeper under next to the concrete pass. We're going to the back, and this is for the granny flat. It's simple backyard, just install the clothesline and the pavers under to stand up and doing the job. Timber stair, timber retaining wall, pebbles, two pavers, veggie garden, and protect the fruit tree there. It's a citrus tree, and the collarbone fence. That was a job on the Epping. It was easy and nice because all timber and simple job, but it looks simple. It looks nice, sorry. It's simple landscaping, but looks nice and tidy and works well. See you guys in the next job. Thank you for watching us.